Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a calendar in Google Docs. First, open Google Docs and rename the document. Look at the top left corner and click on Untitled Document. Then type a name like January Calendar and format it however you like. You can make it bold or increase the font size for better visibility. Then go to the Insert menu, click on Table and create a table with 7 columns and at least 6 rows. The 7 columns represent the days of the week and the rows ensure there is enough space for all the weeks in the month, including partial weeks that may spill into a new month. In the first row of the date table, names of the days starting with Sunday and ending with Saturday. This will set up the structure for your calendar. Now start filing in the dates for the month. Begin with the first day of the month and continue filing in the dates until you reach the end. If the month does not start on a Sunday, leave the earlier cells blank or fill them with dates from the previous month for context. Do the same for the days after the last date of the month by adding a few dates from the next month if needed. If you are creating a calendar for the entire year, simply repeat these steps on a new page. For each month, to add a new page, press Ctrl plus Enter on your keyboard to create a page break. And that's it. I hope this